gonna just come right in here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So lay your head right into my forearm. Very good. So just relax the shoulder here. Okay, I'm just gonna come up. Just relax for me. Deep breath in. All the way out. Drop that shoulder down. Just relax the head. Relax, relax. Very good.
Oh!
Just gonna contact where I need to. Hand right into my arm there. Just relax for me. Now just come forward with me. Come forward. Come forward. Just relax. Deep breath in. All the way out. Very good.
Nice and relaxed for me on these ones. That's it.
That's a good one.
Okay, now then. Tensing. Just let it go. Wiggle your left big toe for me.
Oh!
Yes, that is, yes.
7. Let's get 7. 7 on the left. Oh! 2. Ooh, 1 and occiput. I'm gonna get the 1 and occiput at the same time. He doesn't like it. See him going, Let me get this one. Let me get this one first. Right there. Then occiput. Just let the shoulder down. I'm gonna get his occiput and his C1. This is gonna be a little bit loud. Woo!
Nice, thank you, Doc.
Appreciate you, man. Thanks so much for everything.
Open your mouth a little bit more. Just relax.
Oh!
There you go. Look at the difference. You can see the indent there now.
Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell, you fuckhead?
First time?
This very first time. I mean, what just happened? What just happened?
We just reset your AC joints.
Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, wow.
Did you taste it?
Yeah. I could literally taste my crack. Oh! What was that? Oh, what was that?
Oh, there it's already started. Oh, that was big. Okay, elbows closer together, and you're just gonna lean back onto me.
Oh, Dios mío.
Woo! Can you feel it get just a little bit tight right there?
Not anymore.